I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a thinking question on linear relations from Sahil's test paper. Question number 10. Workers at a shipping yard get the same raise each year. Frank, who has been working at the shipping yard for 5 years, earns $17.25 per hour. Jasdeep, who has been working at the shipping yard for 1 year, earns $14.25 per hour. Find the equation of line in W equals to mn plus b form relating hourly wages W and the number of years worked n. Part B is Mary has been working at the shipping yard for 7 years. Determine her hourly wages. Now what we are given here is number of years in n and wages in W. Now for Frank we are given that for 5 years, the number of years 5, the wages are 17.25 per hour. And we also know for Jasdeep, number of years is 1 and the wages are 14.25. So with the help of these two parameters, we can find the equation relating wages with number of years worked. So the relation is y equals to mn plus b. To find m, what we should do is we can find the slope here. So m will be equals to y2 minus y1. Let me write y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 here, and we will do further calculations on the right side, right? So we can now say that m is equals to y2 is 17.25, let's say 17.25 minus 14.25 divided by 5 minus 1. That is 17 minus 14 is 3 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4. So slope m is 3 over 4. To find the intercept, we should say W-intercept, wages intercept, we can use one of these values, right? So if I substitute in my equation, which is W equals to mn plus b, wages for Frank, which is 17.25, in fact, it will be better to use wages for just the 14.25 and 1, right? Simpler calculations. So let's use just the as the reference here. We know slope is 3 over 4, wages 14.25 equals to slope 3 over 4, number of years 1 plus b, right? So b is equals to 14.25 minus 3 over 4 will be equals to b, right? That gives us 14.25 times 4, so 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. 4 times 4, 16 and 1, 17, 7, 1. 4 plus 1, 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 3 divided by 4, right? That is b, which comes to 57 minus 3, which is 54 over 4. So that gives us a value as 4 times 1 is 4, then 14 is 4 times 3 is 12, 13.50. So B is 13.50. Well, that gives us the equation finally, which is wages is equals to m, which is 3 over 4, times n plus 13.50. Well, we could have written 3 over 4 also in decimals. But for the time being, let it be so. Mary has been working at the shipyard for 7 years. Determine her hourly wages. So the hourly wages will be W equals to 3 over 4 times 7 plus 13.50, right? So we can use calculator and find the answer, right? So we have 3 divided by 4 times 7 plus 13.5. So that gives us 75 over 4 in decimals 18.75. So we get 18.75. So therefore our answer is that the wages for Mary are $18.75 per hour. So that is how we can answer this question. I hope that helps. Have a good look at it. Thank you and all the best.